Hey, what's up, Theta Network? So do this, otherwise you completely end the loss. Exactly, my friend. I tell you, and this video, my friend, to upcoming days they're moving up or they fails down more. In the start of month, every cryptocurrencies remember to fails down like that. You can see here all cryptocurrencies start fails now. But definitely, my friend, I also tell you, this is selling time, holding time, or buying time. So let's start this brand video. I request you, my brother, please, if you are new to our channel, kindly subscribe this channel before I get started the video and press bell icon for videos notification. Please subscribe, press bell icon, and like this video. Okay, my friends, come to the point. This time you can see here the Theta network is completely in the positive in the last 2.5 hours. And remember, every cryptocurrencies and the last and those days, especially in the first week of month, gone very fastly, falls down. So you can see here this time the Theta network is moving up. Why they moving up? This is one of the fastest coin and the crypto market. You can see here the price is also very badly falls down in the last 3 days, especially, my friend, decrease. But I hope, my friend, our target is 15 US dollar, but definitely they decrease very fastly. So therefore, my friend, our target is 12 US dollar for the first week of this month. I hope at the end of this month they give you 15 US dollar if they moving like a rocket. And this time you can see here at the start of month, if every cryptocurrency is moving very badly falls down, so definitely at the next week of month they're starting moving like a rocket. So the good time is coming soon. Please, Theta network, hold it, don't sell it. Let's check out the last 3 days chart, what's going on in the last 3 days. This is the 3 days, these first 3 days chart, my friend, as I show you to an upcoming days, they going up or they falls down. You can see here the 30th April they going like a rocket. You can see here 30th April because people you can see here the last day, every month last day, every cryptocurrency is moving like a rocket. Therefore they also going up. But after this, my friends, people starting selling, so definitely they going down and the prices also falls down. So this time you can see here, especially you can see here the resistance line is, I think, here, my friend, and you can see here they completely falls down after May 2, my friend. May 2 they falls down, and you can see here today also they falls down. So but after that, my friend, you can see here they starting moving up. After this fails, they starting moving up. So definitely after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they falls down. So if they're moving in this circulation, I hope in upcoming days, my prediction is that today going up in upcoming days and they make you millionaire. So the good time is coming soon. Theta network holder, kindly don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. Please, my expectation is very good from Theta network. So therefore I tell you, my friend, to hold it. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Hope you understand something new in this video. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for latest news and updates.